After a very bearish start of the day, the markets try to rally back. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade Tuesday, July 18th, 2017, and the markets end the day with the Dow down, but the Nasdaq and the S&P in bullish territory, especially in the Nasdaq, up 0.7%. Everybody else, though, in negative territory for the most part. Negative territory. Small caps down 0.3%. US dollar. It's been a long time, gang, since we've been this low on US dollar. Something to be watching for. Crude oil higher by nearly a full percent. Gold higher by 0.7%. Silver higher by more than 1%. And the VIX nearly break even. All right, taking a look here at the S&P 500. We're looking at the ETF, the exchange-traded fund of the S&P 500 called the Spider SPY. And today, check this out, gang. We had this big gap down and it dropped. Very, very bearish start of the day. But by day's end, we come charging back. Volume fairly light, guys, the last few trading days. But, man, it's looking not too shabby. If I look at a line chart here, you can pop up, we're moving sideways instead of down. I have a buy on this. I'm going to stay with my buy. Now the Dow was down. Let's look at this. But here's what's interesting. We had this big rising wedge and we broke out of this. So this line I'm going to bring to this swing here and there. So those are my 2 points. Today, we gap down on the Dow 30. We go down, touch our support line, rally back up, giving us what's called a Dragonfly Doji. Nasdaq did the best of all major indices after an extended run to the upside. Little gap down, little drop, and then a rally higher. We have big time resistance coming up fairly soon. The Russell's 2000, I have a sell on that and I'm going to stay with my sell because we have a lot of resistance points here. I'm just going to stick with it. Banks were down. Down. If you look at a line chart here, we're right here at support. You see that? It's harder to see with candlesticks, but the line chart shows you we're right at support. Candlesticks were all choppy. This thing is looking like it's getting ready to go higher. Have a sell on it right now. That's whoops. That little guy. I have a sell on this. And I think that we're getting ready to go higher on small caps. What it looks like to me. So I expect that to happen. Financials. I have a sell on this one. And this is just a bull flag. I mean, this dude's getting ready to go higher, guys. This could be financials and banks getting ready to go bullish. But the US dollar, guys, look at this low. Let's take a look. Last time the US dollar has been this flat. Last time we were this low was October 2016. October 2016. And that's where we're at right now. Crude oil, I have a buy on that. We continue higher, but we're finding resistance at the 50-day moving average. Gold, have a buy on it from back here. Boom! This thing is on fire. The dollar being so weak has certainly helped precious metals. Silver, we continue higher, very, very nicely. And let's take a look at tech stocks, Grok tech stocks. Take a look at Apple. Apple, I have a buy on it. I'm going higher. Amazon was up 1.43%. Put a buy on it back here. Still a buy on Amazon. Baba up. I have a buy back here. Still making some good money. eBay was down. I have a buy on that. I'm not going to put a sell on it yet. Facebook is up almost 2%. Big pop today. We have earnings coming up on the 27th, so be wary of that. Google is up over 1%. All major tech stocks doing fairly well. GoPro is down 1.5%. I had a buy on this. Oh man, what am I doing? I gotta put a sell on it now. Even though we're at support, I'm a little late on my sell on GoPro, but that's not looking good. Microsoft up, and away. Nvidia, I have a buy on that. That's still holding in there. Oracle, up, high base. That could get bullish. Priceline 1.6%. We have a high base and then a pop. So this, I thought we'd be heading down, but it built a high base and it popped. So because of that, I've got to put a buy on the high base breakout. There's my buy on Priceline. PayPal, I have a buy on it. Boom! Look at that. PayPal on fire. Red hat, break even. I'm expecting it to go down, but this is a high base. This could go bullish, so you got to be careful with this. So because it's a high base, I'm going to get rid of my thinking on that. Snap down 2.6%. Snap. Oh, Snap. What a horrible stock this has been. I have a sell on it. When all the tech stocks, I put one short, and that's the short that's just crashing and burning. Twitter, I'm assuming it's going to head down now that we're at resistance. I'm going to keep my assumption arrow here, but I'm not going to make a call to the short side. Not going to do it. If this was a red candlestick today on all major tech stocks, I would be putting sell signals on. Anyway, check this out. Catch you guys later.